Hello, all you wonderful people out there. How's everybody doing? Good, I hope. Hope you're having a good morning, a good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you're from, wherever you're living. Okay, today, something a bit different. I haven't done one of these before. It's from Saudi Arabia. And it's 100... I can't pronounce the word, so there you go. Saudi Arabia. First of all, yep, we're going to punch a hole in it. The 7/16 punch. Hang out. Well, another nice day today. -2, no snow, no wind. I just come back from town, t-shirt and a coat. It's okay. This is Big Bertha, my hydraulic press. One of my subscribers has just started, he's got a YouTube channel, but he's just started making coin rings. And he was a welder by trade, and he made himself a hydraulic press with a bottle jack, and he welded some stuff together. It's so simple, you know. That thing, Big Bertha, cost me about, I don't know, 350 euros, including the hydraulic, you know, including the bottle jack type thing. But this one cost him hardly, well, nothing probably. Bit of angle iron. And it can fit on a tabletop. This is about, I don't know, 4 feet tall. Bloody great thing. Wish I lived near you, Gary. You could have made me one. You should make them. You could sell them to people, man. I liked it. It was really good. This is Christy Burr, my deburring tool. Yeah, Gary's just started making coin rings, or he might have been doing it before, but he's just started to upload some videos. Yeah, nice one, Gary. Loved your handmade, homemade hydraulic press thing, man. So simple, so easy. Instead of this bloody great big thing. But I can't weld. I haven't even ever tried welding. There's still a big lump there. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers. Thank you. There's a little button. There's a little red button there. See it? There. You press that and you're automatically subscribed. Hit the bell icon. You'll be notified every time I upload a video. I try to do one every day. Try to. Okie dokie. That's good. You see right there? That says, please hit the subscribe button and the like button. And on this side it says, thank you very much. And there you go. Right. Let's break out the one and only Bernie, the fire starter. Ouch, that got me. You can't beat the smell of burnt hair, can you? Okie dokie, what we got? So I think there's a bit more going on there, isn't there? So this is going to go face down, my 17-degree folding die. There's a bit there we can use. I might have to turn it over. You don't want it to go all the way through. It's got a big red. Big bad red. So Sarah and Richard, if you're watching, I'll be coming to see you soon. Yeah, butter. Lovely jubbly. Right, let's make out sandy. You just want to make sure that's nice and clean, with no cracks or chasms or cheddar gorges or anything like that in there. There you go. Sexy as hell. Right, now we need a little bit of kitchen roll. And this is where we go over to the one and only Spike. There he is. And this is a ring stretcher. Yep, you guessed it. It stretches your ring. In a nice way though. You give it a bit of a turn each time. That way it stretches the ring equally all the way around. Getting a bit hard. Let's show it a bit more love with Bernie. If you're looking for a custom ring, I could be your man. Check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. I've upped the game a little bit now. I'm not just doing rings, I'm doing bracelets, cufflinks, earrings, keychains, or key fobs, whatever you want to call it. All incorporating coins. And next month should be a good month. I'm going to try something totally different, incorporating dichroic glass into some of my my coins. They obviously won't be rings, but they'll be pendants for guys and girls. Or should I say unisex? Bloody unisex. Right, what we got? That's not too bad. Maybe a touch more. This isn't for anybody in particular. Right, so now I want to straighten the walls up a bit because it's a bit cone shaped. So we go to the bottom end of Spike. And these are all reduction dies. You just find one where it fits in with a bit protruding. That's my favourite word for quite a few days at the moment, protruding. And you're just looking to straighten them walls up. Oh, I think I went a bit too far. Yeah, I did. So, you just turn it over. There's a little bit there. think. No, there wasn't much there. But was that enough? Yeah, water straight. Okie dokie. So, there is a little bit of a lip in there, not much. I'm going to take it out. If in doubt, cut it out. You got any questions? Just drop in the comments. You can send me your own coins. I've got quite a few rings made in my web shop, but I can adjust the size. If there's one there you fancy, I can adjust the size up or down for you. And the best way to feel is with your nail. See, hear that? There's a little bit in there still. Because if you don't cut out, it can be uncomfortable to wear. Plus it gives you a full size. This also makes the ring slightly larger because you're cutting out that lip. There you go. That's pretty good. Beautiful. Right, let's break out the one and only Kate Bush, wherever she is. Where is she? Kate, where are you? This is a good start to the day, isn't it? Where the hell is Kate Bush gone? I put a new Kate Bush in yesterday. Where the bloody hell has she gone to? Oh, she's on the floor. She's hiding. This is like quad zero steel wool on the end of this. It just cleans off the fire scale. Or just back from town. Done a bit of shopping, had a couple of scoops in my local. Just a couple, no more. So if there's anybody from Saudi Arabia watching this, and I doubt very much if there is. Right, let's take out the one and only Kate. Let's stick in Felton John. And give it a bit of a polish. Ouch. Ouch, ouch. Jesus, wet. It's getting a bit warm. Too hot to handle. A bit like my girlfriend, she's too hot to handle. Alright, let's give it a bit of the old hoochie coochie coo, baby. Everything sticks to these cloths, everything. Right, let's give it a bit of a white brand. Yeah, it's come up quite pretty. Bit shiny for me though. I'm not a big shiny type person. Shiny scares me, you know. Like it's too shiny for me, too nice. There you go. And Saudi Arabia coin ring. That's why I use a kitchen roll on the inside. You don't lose the relief. Aside we get in the end. Where's my hoochie coochie coo? There it is, right next to me. Your oyster measure from the reeded side of the coin, because that's the thickest part of the coin. And this is a size 10.5. I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller. It's magic. So thanks for stopping by. Thanks for your support, everybody. Love you all. Have a great week, what's left of it, and I'll catch you tomorrow. So bye-bye.